Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kekia Upak Wailat Miki Shila ulaya daya Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Ke Sangma da keboong baka sorkar kala syim ya kejingkit kli ka bapura halor kejing betai badangshan hapok ka parti Dewyong Hais Giant Hills. Kani kejing betai hapok ketai ka par Dewyong ha mensengat ha katang tangsko kabalaja ha kasantrik rempang kala syim ya kejing im jong ki lai puingut ki briu bat ka jing mensau ya shipongut ki wepat. Bat kabala penmi ya ke jing dawa ka bajur na ki kunhun beper baka sorkar ka day benshim ya ke jingkit kli. Habagran syikilat patai kubor haka katway tarik rempang uba wailat ulaong baka sorkar kala syim ki sinjam bandle da ka beting persya ki badon keti halor keti ka jing betai hapo ka parti Dewyong Bean bat ban beteng ban ay ya ka jing syakri ka babahatam syaki pajba ka jela wat hadin jong kani ka jing jabas ngosi. Menteri ula pediang ru ya karai jong ka yingka syari High Court Bantung ya ka jing tokit ka balait lut da ka Central Agency da ka baong baka sorkar kam don ban buri. Ngim don ban buri nila syim kia ya ka ni ka kam bat day na kata kadau Menteri Rangba ula rai Bantung da ka Judicial Inquiry ban tokit benia halor ka ni ka jingja kumtangi pediang ya ka ulaong. Ula pentip ru baka sorkar jelasyan kan saya syong jingyalang bat rai halor ke jingtung ya ucaman jong ka Judicial Inquiry Commission. Ula ong haba benrap ka an kan syim yala ka jong kalinti. Menteri ula kubur ru halor ki jing ki ba ki bor sensyar ki ya kendu ha ka bantek lakam ya ki kamti Dewyong Bean ha Meghalaya da ka baong ba ki jinglong jong ki jaka ki long ki basyam shitom shibun ban la ban petngor. Nalor kata ulapan pau ya kejing kendit halor kejing ya jong ki kamti Dewyong Bean ha kini katan da ka baong baka sorkar kam don jing tip ru halor kani. Nginang tharai baro shikata wa Dewyong udei ubarimbat baki la shalan ya Henry ngim don jing tip baka jing ti thamai kadang ja ong uba wailan. Ka sorkar kala kiam hadu kendai ngut ki trai par bat kinong nyak kali ki badan keti hakikam Bean nalor arngut ki badang shusha kiam shen. Nila twet bat be thong ya baro ngin yano ru ki badon keti hakini ki kambian kular uba wailat.
Already CM has announced that we are putting the judicial inquiry. So now I think that will take its own course. Not yet. As of now, I have not no particular name decided. So they will sit and decide on that. No, number of casualties, so as you already seen, is now still remain 30, and then 8 are still injured in the hospitals. As we already mentioned again and time and again, no doubt from our end we are trying our best, and I think most of these media person also last time they have seen it themselves while I and Master and our education minister went and take stock of the situation which happened on the ground. We also were also so shocked because the place was so inside of the area. But no doubt, like from time to time, that we are trying our best. You also have seen that we have seized many vehicles, many coal and all from time and again. So we are trying our best, but as you have seen it yourself, that because the area was so difficult, so I think it's not so easy to say also. So I think because it's too soon to comment on that because like we already said that we are taking full responsibility on this, and we are taking action on those who are involved. So I don't think that it is for CM to step down. Like we have informed them of the ground situation, and then because at that particular time purely we went there to see that the rescue operation should go on smoothly. So we did that, and then at the same time also we have directed SP and DC to take action. Whoever responsibility, we should not leave anybody. Then that is after full consultation. Then they realized that because they have checked it, every thing of that area. They already checked that it seems that from their end, from this NDRF and the SDRF, that it seems from their end they feel that I think there is no more bodies inside. So that's why they stopped. That is, I think, issue will be there, see, from time to time. So we from our end will stand in our stance because we are, like I already mentioned, we are trying our best to give the best service to the people of the state. So no doubt incident will happen. That is very unfortunate, but like I said, we are trying our level best, and I think from time to time, then CM is already, I think, is there, and he has clarified time and again. Yeah, definitely. There is nothing to hide or nothing to not to. Since we take this thing seriously. That's why I think CM come up with the judicial inquiry in the first place. So I think we welcome. See, like I already mentioned from time and time and again, there were this little bit of this. I think from time to time from the government also have act, and then we have seats, many truck, many coals and all. But as you already know also that there were some coal who are already mined in the past on record. So we thought that all this time that these were those coal which were there, and then they were transporting it. But we were not aware of that there were fresh mining happening. And that's why I'm saying, because even I'm also was shocked to see when I go down to that area to see that there are many fresh mining happening. We are behind everybody. We are not leaving anybody. Like, I think we are very clear on that. And those who are arrested also, they are not not only the driver, the workers, even some of the mine owners also have been arrested. I don't recall the name, but I think 2 more arrests have been made.